We came all the way this dense forest for 2 hours and trust me, thunder and lightning ने हम लोगों को दबेच दिया है and हम सोचने वाले थे लेकिन रास्ता देखिए कैसा हो गया है. Show the way, no.
He's
the guy. Dotre. He's from Dotre.
Our expectations and reality are so different. We just thought we'll climb some mountains, but we didn't think these will be those steep and into the jungle. It's so different.
But the experience is good. As the first time
we had
good.
good full body pains, I know. But it's good. It's good to see different side of the mountain.
Good morning, and this is day 3 of our trekking, and this was the resort, not the resort. This was the GTA lodge where we stayed, and the stay was awesome. The food was also awesome, but there were no lights. Still, we could manage. It was a lifetime experience, and today we are heading towards Srikola. Excuse me. I guess it's almost like 25 kilometers trek. Every day we are increasing our day limit, and we will be halting in Gorki for lunch. Let's call it a brunch because we didn't eat anything. We just had a cup of tea, and then we are like heading towards Srikola. Yes, stay tuned, guys. We are on our way to Srikola, and we have met many trekkers on our way. And we are taking the routes from the jungle because this is much more better than the main road, because the main road has boulders, and boulders have like stones where we cannot even like walk properly. Oh, then this is. I climbed tree yesterday. Look at the way. This is how you should be going down. Dun 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 dun. We need to keep our battery fully charged. We have been walking listening to Bipul Chetri songs, and it's really refreshing in the jungle area. Especially, I'm shooting this video just to show, the bamboo on the way, and I have thought that bamboo grows within a day. Matthew, these all are bamboo. We have been walking through the jungle way. I guess this is the trekker's way actually, not the main road. That's specially made for the trekkers only. Makes this easier and as well as much more shades ho jata hai. मतलब कि धूप में नहीं चलना पड़ता है because it's through the jungle way, so trees gives us shades. Yeah. So finally, after 2 hours of walk in the dense forest, we are about to reach, I guess that is Gorki.
Yeah, please stay. I guess it's just 2 kilometers away. I'm just going to show you how the dense forest goes. We came through this dense forest for almost 2 hours, and it was so dense. Forget about finding a house. We couldn't even meet a single person. There was just one grass cottage on the way when we left. Apart from that, there was no person, and we left all the trekkers behind, and it was just like 2 of us walking down, and I guess.
I swear this was one of the most adventurous thing I've ever done. We came all the way to this dense forest for 2 hours, and trust me, it was so scary. For me, it was like one of the scariest and the most adventurous thing. Like I would never try it again. I can't tell you friends, like 2 घंटा सिर्फ जंगल में चलने के बाद मुझे तो लगा था कि कभी मतलब कि हम लोगों को ना इंसान देखने के लिए मिलेगा ही नहीं. I ran like anything and we reached like in 2 hours, like we covered 15 kilometers. So you can imagine how badly I ran through the jungle way. And right now I am so relieved that we are finally getting to see the houses. अभी मतलब कि सोच के अच्छा लग रहा है, लेकिन तब जब जंगल में थे सच्ची में बिल्कुल भी अच्छा नहीं लग रहा था. And with the person I was traveling, he was making me so scared, telling me like there is graveyard around and things like, you know, like he was making some sort of animal noises from behind, and it was like really so scary. कान पकड़ लिया. इसके साथ कभी नहीं. We have reached proper Gorkhe and यहाँ पे हम लोग को देखने के लिए मिल रहा है कि like यहाँ पे ये वेजिटेशन होता है. ये है आपका आलू पोटैटो, दिस आर पोटैटोज. यहाँ पे जो नीचे है यहाँ पे मटर है बीच में एंड साइड में आलू है. Mixed farming. This is called mixed farming. I guess mixed farming. Seasonal, no, this is called mixed farming. This is mixed farming. So guys, this is makai ka dala. We have covered total 22 kilometers from Falun, 15 there and 7 this side. 22 kilometers in approx 4 hours. In approx 4 hours, not even 4, like approx 4. 22 kilometers. It's drizzling and it's about to rain. And if it will rain, we will be. हम लोगों को तो पानी से नराम्रो चुटेगा. Hello, so on the way to Srikola from Samandan, we met someone who has started their journey from Gorkhe.
Hi guys, so this is an awesome trek and the trail is good. The weather has been little bit harsh, but I'm sure this is part of the journey. Great.
And like you started from at around 10.
We started from Gorkhe at 10.
Okay,
These
so-
guys are super heroes. They started from Falun in the morning.
Yeah, we started from 8 and then like Samandan, no? It's in between Gorkhe to this route. So there we were like, we kind of were there for lunch for around 2 hours. We rested there and then again we started. So approximately here, to reach here it took us 5 hours.
Superb.
Superb, na? Yes. So we have few friends traveling from different places of India and they have come through youth hostel group. YHA India. So let each and everyone introduce. You are from Nagpur. Okay. We have someone from Nagpur. And he's the guy. Dotre. He's from Dotre.
I work in Haldia, West Bengal.
Okay, he's from Haldia, West Bengal.
Haldia, West Bengal.
Haldia. Okay, even she's from Haldia. And these two lovely couples we have from Andhra, I guess.
Yeah.
Yes, from Andhra. And basically they are based at Orissa.
In Paradip.
Okay, in Paradip, and they have been trekking, and this is the first time they have been trekking in this kind of like mountain areas.
Trek.
So how was the experience?
The experience into the mountains is so like we didn't expect. Our expectations and reality are so different. We just thought we'll climb some mountains, but we didn't think these will be so steep and into the jungle. It's so different.
But the experience is good. As the first time
we had
good.
good full body pains, I know. But it's good. It's good to see different side of the mountains.
And I need no introduction. I am from the Queen of the Hills, Darjeeling.